Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. Time freedom is the main thing. Financial freedom just follows that. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a place, a channel that I could have gone to find information and honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free. And let's get free together. Let's go. What's up? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. This is going to be a super quick one on Millionaire Society because after further research, I have discovered that this does not really deserve an in-depth review. But let's do it anyways. What is it? It's an affiliate marketing training on how to create an autopilot internet business in 15 minutes through ebooks and short videos. Who was it created by? Mac Michael, which is an alias of someone who doesn't want us to know their real name. What's different about it? There's no real practical affiliate marketing tutorials, and there is no support whatsoever. What else? I started doing research on this product to give you an in-depth review of it, but the more I learned, the more I realized that this product doesn't even really deserve a review. However, I decided to make one anyways in hopes that it would save some of you from making a mistake and wasting your time. What is included? You are promised 135 done-for-you businesses. However, what you get are 6 videos that were created in 2012 and a few PDFs with information on them. You also get 3 free ebooks on how to get 100,000 visitors in 1 hour, Pinterest profits, and domain flipping. How does it work? Well, you purchase the product, you log into your account, and you start making money with the click of a button. That's seriously what it says. I'm not even kidding you. I can't even. Anyways, moving on. Who is it for? Nobody really except the owner of the product. Who is it not for? Anybody who wants a legitimate online passive income business. Pros, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee because it is a ClickBank product. Cons, it's fluffy, there's crazy claims, it's outdated, there's bad customer support, there's outdated traffic methods, Facebook page is inactive, and it is really just some ebooks and a few PDFs. You can find better information for free on YouTube. The testimonials and reviews are all bad. What does it cost? It's $4.95 for 7 days and then $97 a month. Do I recommend this? No. Do not buy this product. It is a waste of your time. There are so many other better products and free information about affiliate marketing. My final verdict, I do not recommend this course in the slightest. Please see my links in the description for much better courses. Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.